அவ்வளவு சீக்கிரமா ரிசல்ட் கிடைச்சிரும்னு நீங்க நம்புறீங்களா? ஆனா நான் இப்படி ஈக்விட்டி மியூச்சுவல் ஃபண்ட்ஸை பத்தி சொன்னா நம்புவீங்களா? கேளுங்க.
This is what typically, we ask our kids to study fast and we want our results tomorrow. And similarly, it is typically Asian investor psyche. When I put money in the bank deposit in FD for 10 years, I will not even go to the bank till 10 years. But when I put in the mutual funds or stock market, I will call my advisor next day morning how much it has grown. That will not happen. Use the same logic and make that. And I think today we are talking about more of the mantras. Sabya has already said mantras. Probably Madras and mantras will go together. And we will have, typically to conclude, list your goals and put value for them. If you have a financial goal, what is that value for it? And make a plan, even if it is very simple. I believe only simple financial plans will work, not the complicated financial plans. Make as simple as possible so that you can execute well. And start now. There is nothing called a better, there has never been a better time. I look at, there is a saying from Mark Twain. He said, October is a dangerous month to invest in the stock market. Then he gave a pause. Then which are the other months, he said? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and he said all the months. Like that, any time is a peculiar month, but every month is a good month, and start, there is nowhere. And it's a better time in the Indians, I think, better, Bala spoke about Indian economy and our Prime Minister. I keep telling our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, MODI is not a man for me, it is a mission for me. MODI is a mission on developing India. I think, that's is a mission on developing India. I think we rest assured. And we have a best of the times in the sense it is a pro-market government, we have a proactive regulator, and it is a progressive economy. And if you are not proactive, you are in investing, the biggest risk you are taking is not taking a risk and not taking to invest. I think, that's a bit to start now. Invest regularly and diversify your investments across. And there is a risk in every asset class, every investments. I think, biggest risk I look at in Chennai is the crossing the road. And I don't think stock market is more riskier than that. And finally, all good plans and investments requires time and patience, and you should have that time and patience, and you should make a habit. Here is a small.
Mr. Sampath, முதல் முறையா வெற்றிகரமான வாக்கிங்க முடிச்சிட்டு வந்து சொன்னாரு.
First day.
Very good.
அப்புறம் எடைய செக் பண்ணிட்டு சொன்னாரு.
வெயிட் குறையவே இல்ல. இது உடைஞ்சிடுச்சா?
இவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்காதுன்னு நீங்க ஒத்துக்கிறீங்க. ஆனா நான் ஈக்விட்டி மியூச்சுவல் ஃபண்டும் இதே.
It is simple. If you walk for one day, you can't reduce your weight. You have to walk every day, and you have to make it a habit. Similarly, investment is a regular one. Make it a habit to invest and consistently. And for me, SIP is something beyond, say, a systematic investment plan. Save, invest, and prosper. You convert first, save, convert into investments, and prosper. Start early and invest regularly and create wealth for yourself and for your family. I think then Gaurav will take over from here. And thank you so much. And last but not the least, if you have further doubts, I have a site, janotomano.com. I call www, which is wealth without worry. janotomano.com. You can come there and see. And wishing you all the good luck. And it is a Diwali. I'm sure the festival of Diwali is going to be a celebration of prosperity, celebration of Lakshmi. When I was in Lucknow, one of my friend was, one of the investor who was telling, he said, do you know what is, when Lakshmi will come? I said, I don't know. He said, those who got Laksh, then Lakshmi will come. Me and Laksh is your goal. Have a goal, have a Laksh, have a Lakshmi, and a happy Diwali to you all. Have a prosperity. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. With your sense of humor, you've definitely grabbed everyone's attention and put across your point very clearly. I would now request Ms. Sandhya Dhar to please present a token of appreciation to our respected speaker.